on the hotbed of women's basketball, Bridgeport, Connecticut. Always a hot ticket. Road to the FIBA Women's World Cup continues tonight for the United States. There she is again, almost popped out for Collier. Shane Collie, she hits another Canadian three.
I don't think Canada is intimidated early on.
Canada in this exhibition leading up to the World Cup, up by 12. Kelsey Plum drills it. It's a three and much needed.
Now the shots change. The pressure on the shots change a little bit.
Wilson to tie the game at 62. Plum again. It's good from three for college basketball's all-time leading scorer in Division I. Knocked away. Wilson has it. 5 to shoot. Williams to the basket on the setup from Collier. Well, here in Bridgeport tonight, the United States mounts the comeback, down 16, and it's a victory over Canada.
Coming out of the locker room at halftime, we knew that it couldn't get any worse. I think we just need to stay the course. We got players who are poised. They've been in these situations before, and obviously we found our rhythm a little bit and got control of the game.